Welcome. This is our lesson over adding integers. Let's look at our number routine. Write an addition expression that has a sum of -2. Use 3 integer as added. Prove to me using different integer strategies. So I need to have a sum of -2. So let's think about it. What 3 numbers using 3 different integers? So it needs to equal -2. So blank plus blank plus blank. Let's start with 5. Well, since I know we have to have a negative, let's put another plus -6. So let's see. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I add 6 negatives to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 0 pairs out. These are 0 pairs, so I'm -1. I need -2, so I need to add another -1, and that is equal to -2. Yes. So let's look at our number line and make sure I do understand this. I start at 0. I go to 5, 5 units to the right. -6 means 6 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop at -1. And then -1 means 1 unit to the left, and it does stop at -2. So there he goes. And so what we're going to be doing during class is something called Easter egg hunt. There will be Easter eggs all around the classroom, tons of them. And then you need to open them up. So you're going to search my room for an Easter egg. You're going to open it up, the egg, and you're going to find a question, an addition expression. And then you're going to solve it and come to me, and I will say, good job. Then you're going to put the slip of paper back into the Easter egg and hide it and find some more. So Easter egg hunt. And then our second activity is you're going to be working with your tribe on 6 word problems, and you're going to answer them. And then on the back of it has the answer to it to check your work. And our last thing we're going to do is called Race to the Top Addition. So in this one, you have to figure out this number. Let's use a red pen up here. So what you do is you add these two. It makes -4 plus 5 is 1. What's 5 plus 0? If I add these two, it's 5. What is 0 plus -1? -1. What's -1 plus -3? Let's see, -1. I add 3 negatives, that's -4. What's -3 plus 3? -3 plus 3 is 0. What is 3 plus -2? This is 0 pairs, so I'm left with 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 with -1. Do I have more positive or negative? I have more positive by how many? 4. -1, -4. So I have -1. I add 4 negatives. Do I see any 0 pairs? No, so that's -5. And that's -4. And 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 with -5. Do I have more positive or more negatives? More negatives by how many? By 1, -1. -5 plus -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. I add 4 negatives. Do you see any 0 pairs? That's -9. -4 plus 1. Do we have more positives here or more negatives? More negatives by 3. So we have 10 with -1. Do I have more positive, more negative? Definitely more positive by 9. This is -10. -1 plus -9 is -10. -9 plus -3. That's a lot of negatives to add up. That's -12. 9 plus -10. I have more negatives by 1. -10 plus -12. Any 0 pairs? No, that'll be 22 negatives. So 1 negative adding with 22 negatives, that's 23 negatives. So the final answer, the final sum is -23. Let's check my work. Woohoo! And I got it. For this one, can you try to figure out on the top? You may pause the video and I'll show you the answer. Welcome back. Did you get 43 here? Use it to check your work. And today is just going over how to add integers with word problems and with practicing your algorithm.